Hey guys, I recently traveled to Cancun, Mexico and had the privilege to stay at the Marriott all-inclusive resorts and it was a blast. Right now I'm just checking into my room. I got a pretty decent room, just a regular room. So I just want to check in and give you all a room tour real quick and tell you everything about this nice hotel. But that was the closet. I just put my suitcase over there. Here we have the safety box and some blanket at the top. Yeah, that's an extra blanket if you need more. Um, that and then that's the mini bar. It's pretty nice and simple. I love how the light is shining upon it. And then we have a mirror. And I'm just closing the room for safety, y'all. I'm serious. But let's go to the room. So this is the master bedroom. Um, it's a king size bed, I believe so. And it's pretty nice. Just in the center you have a big flat screen TV and some painting on the wall, and that's like the little space if you want to work. Oh, it has a balcony, guys. I went on the balcony later on, but I didn't show it. But that's a nice gift thing. You just get it once you check in the room, and you have access to the menu and some pizzeria that you can order over the phone. Now this is what the balcony look like. It's pretty nice, y'all. Like you can even see the beach when you go outside. But this is a little detail of the room. Yeah, now I'm just going outside. I'm going to show you all the outside, and I'm just going to take the elevator to upstairs this floor just to see just to have the whole view of the hotel itself. But I'm just looking down from this floor. It's pretty cool. That's like the little terrace inside, and they have a little space for you too there, just if you want to hang out. But this is the view, y'all. Look at the view. It is so amazing. I just feel like going back right now. And I love the fact that you can even hear the sound of the water, the wave, and how beautiful the water is, y'all. And this is on the back. Like this is on the back, and that's another view. But we are back in. This is inside the whole hotel. You have a little fountain there, and now I'm back to my room, and this is inside the bathroom, and we back outside. Yo, I was creating all the content, so I was in and out, but I'm gonna show you. Oh my goodness, y'all, this is the entrance. Once you got here, this is the lobby and what it look like, and it is marveling. Like they have like flat screen everywhere, and this is an entrance to a restaurant that I've tried later on, and it was good, y'all. They have dancers and everything. Y'all, you can tell me Mexico it's not a vibe, but it is a vibe. Now you can look through the window and have some nice view, and you can see the water on the floor. Yeah, the entrance, and that's the lobby. But yeah, just a 360 view real quick. Nice. Yeah, people come out here and just hang out the lobby, or if you want to have access to a really nice view, you can. But that's what it look like. So far you can also still see the beach here, and now we are walking to the beach, y'all. We're going outside. We're at the beach. Have to open the door, and that's the beach, y'all. Are you looking at that water? The sun is white. I love it. You can hang out here with your friend, and they also have a restaurant down there that closes, I believe, at 9 p.m. But though the restaurant also closed later on at night, so that's good. You have access to so many restaurants in these resorts, and I just like how like it's really secure. But this is a private beach of the hotel, and it's just really beautiful. Now there are some Italian food. I had some pasta, so I'm just here to get my pasta and taste it and tell you how it is like. And that's what the pasta look like. This was at the main entrance in the lobby. You have access to that free food, and ooh, who doesn't like free food? It's a good one. I add some spice to it and mucho caliente. That's a little bit of Spanish, I know, but yeah, we are not at the spa. Um, they have a sauna room, pretty cool. It was too hot. Yo, I didn't get to use the sauna, but it was nice. I got to visit it and just record it for the purpose of this video. It was hot, y'all. It was really, really hot. But now we are back, and this is the locker room of the spa, which is awesome. And then when you walk, you can really go to the gym. I do believe they have a gym around there too. I didn't get inside the gym, but I just had access to the sauna, and that was it. Now I'm getting some ice cream in the lobby, and this was at the gift shop.